Taiwan's financial services sector has reported record profits from 2019, with 15 bank holding companies reporting combined profits of 350 billion NT. Many financial investments reported exceptionally high dividend yields in 2019. Small investors may be attracted by the figures, but financial experts are urging caution. With the economic impact of coronavirus, they say a continuation of that trend is unlikely in 2020, pointing to the threat of bad debts and the instability of the market.
我把我所有的钱都拿去研究跟存股票。 那经由我20几年的研究，终于发明了不败存股术。
Stock market expert Chen Chung-ming shares his tips for the best long-term stocks in this video. He earns 2 million NT a year in dividends alone. Many long-term investors share his strategy, which favors financial stocks. In 2019, Taiwan's 15 bank holding companies made total profits of 350 billion NT, the highest to date.
去年获利不错，所以你可以看得到。
The profits were great last year, so we saw the dividend yield of lots of financial stocks reach 5%, 6%, or even more.
For the 2019 fiscal year, IBF Financial Holdings has approved cash and stock dividends that come out to a yield of 7.07%, the highest in the finance sector. The highest yield in cash dividends was from China Development Financial, which will pay 6.67%. Meanwhile, the combined dividend from state-invested First Holdings will also exceed 6%. These rates are tempting, but analysts warn that they should be considered carefully.
The
dividend yield is related to the share price. If you buy stocks now, the dividend yield may not be the same as before. Secondly, the market may be affected by the epidemic next year and the year after. Some bad debts will emerge, and that will impact the profits of financial stocks. We have to consider all of this. I tell people to buy the most stable stocks, which means the interest or the dividends they pay out don't vary too much from year to year.
State-invested financial holding companies are generally considered stable, but the coronavirus will be causing disruption everywhere this year. Many more loans will be taken out, and that could affect second quarter profits or even the entire year. With even the most stable investments uncertain, experts advise small investors not to lose their heads.